Tired of the hassle and financial burden of buying and storing numerous gym machines at home? Introducing FitTransformer, your ultimate gym solution that saves space and money without compromising on your fitness goals. With one core and interchangeable accessories, transform your home gym experience effortlessly.
The different resistance modes for the rowing machine mean that I can customize my workouts for max performance. With air, water, and magnetic resistance options, it's like having 3 machines in one. No workout will ever be the same again.
The core employs a motor damping system and adopts high-precision motor control technology. The motor damping system simulates the real rowing experience of water resistance, air resistance, and magnetic resistance through the FOC algorithm. The motor damping system is able to generate a damping force of 264 pounds max. Once the core motor module is installed, it transfers the damping force to the adjustable arms through the power transmission system. Adjust the arms to a proper position, select your desired damping force output on the console, and you're ready to perform various training moves like the Klein chest fly.
FitTransformer satisfies all my fitness needs, from anaerobic to aerobic, strength to heat training. I set the tempo for my life and my workouts.
The core module has a similar weight as a kettlebell, which means you can easily change to different pieces of equipment without being a strong person. Just switch the core, adjust the arms, and start the ski training or explosive power drills. FitTransformer enables you to quickly switch between modes of skiing and strength training.
The strength training with FitTransformer is outstanding. The 264-pound capacity allows me to challenge myself with heavier weights, and the industrial-grade material allows me to focus on my workout with less likelihood of picking up any injuries.
FitTransformer is an advanced professional home gym equipment with one motor core expanding towards multiple devices. The revolutionary FOC algorithm, together with sophisticated motor, makes at-home fitness do with endless possibilities. Revolutionize your fitness routine today. FitTransformer. One core, endless possibilities.